Hi there. Yogi, Virendra Yogi, a real fakir, dwells on the absolute truth of life. And I am going to tell you exactly what is life. Life is an accident. Nobody has deliberately planned to be born, but we have to be born as a natural procedure. And once we are born, we have to die one day. That is the law of the nature. It's a very mysterious world, remember it. It's not that easy. But once we are born, we should try to understand the truth, as did Gautam Siddhartha Buddha. And truth is only one. If you remember, truth cannot be different. Truth will always be only one truth. And as Buddha said, sun, moon and truth will be same for everyone. It will not be varying from person to person. But fools and those who are blind and those who are ignorant, indolent, thoughtless, foolish fellow, they are surrounded by greed, anger, hatred, jealousy and cynicism. So they will distort every truth and they will try to dominate and they will try to harass and they will try to punish people who do not obey their dictates. That's why I tell you, people should be enlightened and wise and smart, and they should try to really perceive what is truth. And if you ask me what is truth, truth is truth. That is truth, justice, peace, love, non-violence, peaceful coexistence, cooperation, kindness, compassion. That is truth. But now we see in the world what is happening. Totally contradiction. Countries, particularly hegemonistic countries like China, spread COVID-19, coronavirus, and now it is trying to grab and capture. An expansionist attitude is forcing all the borders to be scared. Even it is challenging the superpower America for Chinese hegemonistic approach. Where it is going? They don't know the truth. Truth is peace. And what is false? It is war. There has been a lot of wars since human being started surfacing on the earth. They massacred, butchered, bloodbath, right from Cyrus the Great to Alexander the Great. These great evils and devils. Great is a bad name for them. Great means great devils. They wanted to conquer the whole world. And those who did not listen to them, they massacred, butchered, burned them alive. That's why I tell you, I don't like to dwell very long. Perceive truth. In India particularly, I tell you, in India there are different caste, creed, race, religion. These are all false. There is only one truth: love, affection, cooperation, kindness. We have all to live happily. We are all humans. We should not pose ourselves in different fashion, because that is definitely dogmatic, orthodox, conservatism. We try to show that we are different, but we are only one human being. And once you are talking, if you are a human being, then how you should behave, there are certain guidelines. Every human being is similar. We should have feelings for all the human beings and even for birds, fish, animal, plants as ourselves. We should love them, care for them. We should try to see that all are happy. And we should think that the whole world is our family. In Sanskrit it has been told since time immemorial, but human being has never tried to understand it, that Atvat Sarvbhutesu. Every creature on this earth has similar feelings. We respect them. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole earth is our family, sisters and brothers of the world. That should be the gospel and that should be the echoing sounds of every human being on this planet earth. And Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. Everyone has to be happy and we have to try together, strive, seek and find different ways and means to make a world order where there is only peace. Are you ready? All the Nobel laureates, I challenge you. You have been awarded Nobel Prize because you thought some good things, but nothing has come in practical form. I want peace in this world, not Nobel Peace Prize. This is Bifuli. Thank you very much.